Drones, unmanned aerial vehicles that operate without a human pilot on board, controlled remotely or by onboard software. They were first developed for military surveillance in the early 20th century, but became widely used in modern defense during the early 2000s. What makes them different is their ability to perform reconnaissance, surveillance, and even combat missions without risking human life. They matter because they provide real-time intelligence and precision operations while reducing casualties. Radar systems, technology that uses radio waves to detect objects and determine their distance, speed, and direction. Radar was first developed during World War II to track aircraft and ships. Its uniqueness lies in its ability to work in all weather conditions and at long distances. It remains essential because it forms the backbone of air defense, helping detect incoming threats early. Missile defense systems, systems designed to detect, track, intercept, and destroy incoming missiles before they reach their target. These systems evolved during the Cold War as countries sought protection from nuclear threats. What sets them apart is their multi-layered defense approach, combining radar, satellites, and interceptor missiles. They are crucial because they protect cities and critical infrastructure from long-range attacks. Cyber warfare systems, digital tools and strategies used to attack, defend, or disrupt computer systems and networks. Cyber warfare emerged with the rise of the internet and advanced computing in the late 20th century. Unlike traditional warfare, it operates in the digital space without physical weapons. It matters because modern nations rely heavily on digital infrastructure, making cybersecurity a top priority. Satellite technology, space-based systems used for communication, navigation, and surveillance. Military satellites became prominent during the space race between the United States and the Soviet Union. Their key advantage is global coverage, allowing constant monitoring of large areas. They are vital because they support navigation systems, secure communications, and intelligence gathering. Electronic warfare systems, technologies that use electromagnetic signals to disrupt or manipulate enemy equipment. These systems were first used during World War II to jam radio communications. What makes them unique is their ability to disable enemy systems without physical destruction. They are important because they can neutralize threats while minimizing direct conflict. Autonomous vehicles, self-operating machines such as drones, ground robots, and naval vessels that can perform missions without direct human control. Their development accelerated with advances in artificial intelligence and robotics. What sets them apart is their decision-making capability based on real-time data. They matter because they reduce human risk and increase operational efficiency. Surveillance systems, integrated networks of cameras, sensors, and monitoring tools used to observe and track activities. These systems have evolved from simple CCTV setups to advanced AI-powered monitoring. Their uniqueness lies in continuous, real-time observation and data analysis. They are essential for border security, threat detection, and maintaining situational awareness. Laser defense systems, high-energy weapons that use focused light beams to disable or destroy targets. Initially conceptualized during the Cold War, they have become more practical with modern power and targeting technologies. Unlike traditional weapons, lasers travel at the speed of light and require no physical ammunition. They are important because they offer precise, low-cost per-shot defense against drones and missiles. Stealth technology, design techniques that make vehicles like aircraft, ships, and submarines less detectable by radar and other sensors. This technology gained prominence during the late 20th century with stealth aircraft development. Its key feature is reducing visibility across multiple detection systems. It matters because it allows missions to be carried out without being easily detected. Biometric security systems, technologies that use unique human characteristics such as fingerprints, facial recognition, or iris scans for identification. While biometrics have existed for decades, their use in defense has expanded with digital advancements. What makes them different is their reliance on biological data rather than passwords or keys. They are important because they enhance security and prevent unauthorized access to sensitive areas. Artificial intelligence defense systems, advanced systems that use AI to analyze data, predict threats, and assist in decision-making. AI in defense has rapidly grown in the 21st century with improvements in machine learning. Its uniqueness lies in processing massive amounts of data faster than humans. It matters because it improves response time, accuracy, and overall defense strategy.